Hello, happy Independence Day, especially to the all Filipinos people in this world that you are working in the different countries. You are also celebrating the Independence Day. Wala pala yung day, hindi ko nalagyan ng day. Yung title ko, Happy Independence Day, wala yung day. Talagang so excited siya, nagmamadaling magla-live. Thank you for the support, and thank you that you are giving this one to me. Thank you so much. Thank you, and this is the blessings that you are giving to me for my journey while I'm working in this earth as a OFW. It's my journey life. Thank you so much. Sisi, what you do? Hello, Sisi. Say hello. Hello. Yung hands mo lang. Anong maganon mo yung hands mo? Yay! So, what you're doing?
I'm putting stickers.
Sticker? Oh, you see? Si Sisi is doing the sticker. She didn't watch that her Sunday because they just arrived. Wow. Who gave this one for you?
Mama.
Wow, so nice. Oh, very nice. Okay. Very nice. And the hair of Sisi is very nice. Ha ha ha. Who make this one? For the salon?
Yeah.
Oh, you do your hair from the salon? Wow, Sisi. Look, oh. Extension, anong tawag ba nito? Sa mga African women, they are very nice to do it like this one. Okay, so very good. Oh, ayan, no. Wow, that is Sisi. Oh, ha 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 ha. Oh, look, her nails from salon also. Wow, did you see? Thank you.
What's great?
Yes.
In the salon,
Mm?
she speak my nails. She speak like you.
Oh,
No, not like English. French.
French or Espanol?
Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, She going daw. What's that? Oh, where is your pack bag? I forgot your pack bag for Barbie. She has also new school for pack bag for the summer. What's that? Oh, for the summer school ni Sisi. Oh, you see? Oh. See, ayan si Barbie. Oh no, si Kitty. Hindi pala yan si Barbie. Si Hello Kitty. Say Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Oh, diba? Si Kitty. Si Kitty. Oh, hello. Thank you again for watching. Aray ko. Happy Independence Day again. And happy Town Fiesta. In my hometown. Happy Fiesta and happy Fiesta. To all of them. Oh, yasan. Oh, ayan si Grace. Hello. Thank you again. Thank you for the support, as of what I'm telling from the beginning until now. Thank you very much. For the no subscriber, 1 subscriber, no viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. Thank you so much talaga. And some vlogger that they are still helping to go and to gain my channel that what I have. Thank you so much talaga. And they are still supporting and connect in my channel. Thank you to all of them. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, nationwide, worldwide, and to the different countries in the world, the different people that you are different, not the same, different in different nationalities pala, haha. Hindi na si Grace makapag-pronounce well. Okay, so as of what I'm saying, thank you. Congrats again, Sisi. Congrats to my nieces, and congrats to all that they are graduate already in the nursery, the primary, the secondary, and the college, and the universities. congrats with your parents or your grandma or sister and brother. Or for the whole family, congrats talaga. And congrats po my brad and my sister-in-laws. May mga in-laws, may mga nieces po sa tuhod. Mga pamangkin, my hometown, they are almost, what's that already in the social media. So thank you that that is our journey that while living in this earth. Thank you, and God bless us all, and happy Fiesta, Senor San Antonio de Padua, that they are also celebrating their birthdays and kapistahan. Thank you. More blessings, and God bless us all. As of what I'm telling, that is already including all, because ang hirap one by one. Sa dami pa naman, and to my employer, to my Madam and Sir, the family of Madam and Sir, the friends, their neighborhood, or mga co-workers ko for all, what's that, mga kababataan, etc. So say bye-bye again. Thank you.